Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder at home. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need a high-speed blender and airtight containers. Next, select protein-rich items like oats, nuts, or seeds. We'll then blend these components to a fine consistency. Finally, I'll show you how to properly store and use your custom protein blend in your daily routine. It's a simple and rewarding process. To begin, choose your base ingredients. Rolled oats, almonds, or pumpkin seeds are excellent choices, providing good protein. For flavor, you might add 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, or a pinch of cinnamon. You'll definitely need a powerful blender to achieve a fine powder. Also, have some clean, airtight containers ready for storage. Make sure everything is completely dry before you start. Now let's blend. Place your chosen dry ingredients into your high-speed blender. Start blending on a low setting, gradually increasing the speed. Continue until you achieve a very fine, uniform powder. Be careful not to overblend, especially with nuts, as this can release their oils and create a paste instead of a powder. If you prefer an extra smooth texture, you can sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve. Once your protein powder is ready, proper storage is key. Transfer it immediately into an airtight container to protect it from moisture and air. Store it in a cool, dark pantry or cupboard. For usage, simply add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your homemade powder to your favorite smoothies, shakes, or even oatmeal. For optimal freshness and potency, aim to use your protein powder within 2 to 3 weeks of making it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.